Hi, good morning, friends. Last time I create the video related to introductions, and after that I create the video for month end closing list. And same as today is the month closing, so I work on the same thing, that is the month end close checklist, ensuring accurate financials. Because I am a CFO in the company, so I work on the points like reconcile bank accounts, verify account payables and receivables, post journal entries, review payable and receivable on account notes, review payroll and tax liabilities, match inventory records, reconcile credit card and loans, close revenue and expense accounts, analyze financial ratios, confirm fixed assets and depreciations, check outstanding checks and deposits, review prepaid expenses and accurate liabilities, document store reports. So these points that I worked by me, and in this between this period or the work, I analyze that there is a common mistake in this work by my juniors, that is the missing transaction or duplicate entries, misclassified expenses, affecting reportings, unreconciled bank accounts causing core cash flow errors, forgetting accruals or adjusting provisions, delayed closing affecting financial decision makings. Because I am in the CFO in this company, so my professionals are try to support me for completing the reports to complete the compliance, which is providing by them, that is the profit and loss statements, cash flow statements and the balance sheet. They said that show revenue and expenses, ensures liquidity is managed effectively, and track asset liability and equities. So I try to work on these major points, but the juniors are doing very massive and hectic work. So I try to manage the speed up in this work and automate reconcile and journal entries, maintain daily financial records, standardize closing processes with templates, use cloud okay, use uh, accounting software already managed by my team, but I think they show me the errors, so I will discuss it after that. And set clear deadlines for each steps. So I work on that. So try to complete within the time and before 31st March 2025. I hope my all friends and my team and my page members also doing the same things and the doing work within a time. So as a financer or as a brand promoter of this page, I request all the members and the professionals, please do your work timely and complete your compliances within a period. Major points I discuss with you. So if you have any queries or confusion related your work, please consult with your and discuss with your professionals, chartered accountants or seniors freely, because time period is very short, and complete your work timely. Thank you so much.